Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today we're going to show you how to install your Can-Am Defender front forward arms. First step is going to be to jack up your vehicle and make sure everything is secure, and then we'll start by removing your old equipment. The shock, the upper arm, lower arm. You will need to remove the bolt from the bottom of the arm to remove the brake line. Before you install your Thumper Fab arms, you will need to remove the grease zerks from your old arms and install them to your new arms. Now that you got your grease zerks installed, it's time to install your lower arm. All you do, put it on there like this. Now that your bottom arm is installed, it's time to install your top A arm. Be sure to install your cotter pin once it's tightened. Now the next thing you'll need to do is attach your brake line to the bottom of the A-arm with the supplied zip tie. Now that everything's tight, you can go ahead and add grease to your grease zerks. Make sure you put your cotter pins in, put tires on, lower it down, and check the toe.